Hello students, today we are going to see what is neutralization. What is neutralization? Salts of strong acid and a strong base. When strong acid and strong base reacts together to form a salt, understood, and water, and it is known as neutralization. So pH is 7, neutral pH. On the other hand, salts of strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7. Those are strong base. And weak acid, strong base and weak acid. The salts of strong base and weak acid are basic in nature. And the salts of strong acid and weak base is acidic in nature. Which one is strong? Here what we see, strong acid and strong base, salt is neutral, understood? If we use strong base and weak acid, strong base and weak acid, the salt is basic. And if we use strong acid and weak base, the salt is acidic. Now, for example, we have seen that NaCl. NaCl means sodium chloride salt. Sodium chloride. If we will see, we will take hydrochloric acid, strong acid, and weak base is NaOH. The common salt is NaCl. By now, we have learned that the salt formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. This is the salt that you use in food. You must have observed in the above activity that it is a neutral salt. Sea water contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salt are found in the several parts of the world. You have seen that how common salt is made. What is done? Sea water contains many salts, you know, magnesium chloride, then sodium chloride, calcium carbonate. These are the salts. They are many in the sea water. Yes or no? You will find out the sea water contains many salts. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These large crystals are often brown due to impurities. If we will see the crystals of sodium chloride, what you will see? They are, how they are? They are crystals. They are in the form of crystals, brownish in color, and these brownish crystals are known as rock salt. Beds of rock salt are formed when seas of bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like a coal. Rock salt is mined like a coal. You must have heard about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March. Did you know that sodium chloride was such an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Satyagraha was done by Mahatma Gandhi at Dandi, yes or no, which is situated in Gujarat. And at that time, you will see what is that? It was the Satyagraha, means Mithacha Satyagraha, salt Satyagraha. It was known as salt Satyagraha. Common salt. What is common salt? A raw material for chemicals. It is used as a raw material for chemicals. NaCl, sodium chloride. It is known as common salt. Common salt thus obtained is an important raw material for various materials of daily use, such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and many more. Let us see how one substance is used for making all these different substances. Common salt is obtained from the raw materials such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, etc. Understood? Many more. Let us see how one substance is used for making all these different substances. Sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, brine solution, 10% NaCl, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called as chloralkali process because the products form chlor for chlorine and alkali from sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide process, this process is known as chloralkali process because the products which are formed from sodium hydroxide, chlorine and the sodium hydroxide, these are the products which are formed. 2 NaCl plus 2 H2O. 2 NaCl plus 2 H2O gives out 2 NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. 2 NaCl plus 2 H2O gives out 2 NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products which are produced in this process are very much important and useful also. So, different uses have given of these products. Now, here one diagram is given. Important products from the chloralkali process. Which are those? Now you have seen that in the chloralkali process, anode, cathode, they are given in brine solution. Brine solution is given, brine containing NaOH, it is also added there. Water treatment, swimming pools, PVC, disinfectants, CFCs, pesticides. Chlorine gas is removed out. Fuels, margarine, ammonia for fertilizers, it is also given out, H2, Cl2 and H2. Degreasing metals, soaps and detergents, paper making, artificial fibers. Here membrane is also given in between the two electrodes, anodes and cathodes. Na plus, which is given at the right side of the dotted line, yes or no? Membrane, dotted membrane, and Cl is on the left side of the dotted line, that is known as membrane, yes or no? So, water treatment, swimming pools, here what we use, brine solution, NaOH solution is given, and we have seen this now. Bleaching powder. You have already come to know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slag lime, CaOH twice. A bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on the dry slag lime, CaOH twice. Dry slag lime, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide it is known as. So, you have already come to know chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on the CaOH twice. Action of chlorine on CaOH twice. CaOH twice means calcium hydroxide. Action of chlorine on calcium hydroxide. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2. Though the actual composition is quite complex. Just now we have seen that bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton, linen in textile industry, bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. It is used as oxidizing agent also, and it is used for making the drinking water free from the germs. Baking soda is used, commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Sometimes it is added for the faster cooking, and the chemical name of this compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Baking soda is represented as NaHCO3, and washing soda Na2CO3. H, hydrogen, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda is commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Sometimes it is added for faster cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives out NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Ammonium chloride. NH4Cl means ammonium chloride. When sodium chloride reacts with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, baking soda is formed. Sodium chloride when reacts with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, what it gets? Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl and sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3 baking soda. Now we are going to see sodium hydrogen carbonate when it is heated. When sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, what it gets? Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide is formed. When sodium bicarbonate is heated, sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide is getting understood. So the following reaction takes place when it is heated during the cooking. When we cook, when we add to make the food tasty, crispy, at that time what your mother uses? Your mother uses baking soda. Yes or no? But when it is heated from the food, sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide is formed, and due to this carbon dioxide, the food makes fluffy or tasty crispy. Understood? Sodium hydrogen carbonate has got various uses. Where it is used? Use of baking soda for making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed in the water, the following reaction takes place. NaHCO3 plus H plus gives out CO2, H2O plus sodium salt of acid. This is given. Making baking powder, which is mixture of baking soda. For making baking powder, which is mixture of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed in the water, means where we use it for the dhokla purpose. Yes or no? Tartaric acid, where tartaric acid is present? It is sour. Yes or no? So when we mix it, edible acid or citric acid and this soda, and when we heated and mixed it with water, what happens? NaCO3 plus H plus gives out CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O and sodium salt of acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction can cause bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Carbon dioxide, which just now I have told to you, So carbon dioxide which is produced in this reaction, what it does? It makes the food fluffy, soft, spongy, understood? So baking soda is used for making the bread fluffy and soft and spongy bread, yes or no? Now next, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. It is alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach. So to cure acidity, baking soda is useful. Third one is, it is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Baking soda is used in red colored fire extinguishers which we use in the school also, yes or no? Those cylinders, in these cylinders with sulfuric acid, baking soda is used, understood? And the reaction of sulfuric acid and baking soda, when it does, what happens? Carbon dioxide is produced, and due to this carbon dioxide is a good fire extinguisher, yes or no? It doesn't support burning. That is why soda and acid is used in the fire extinguisher. Now next, washing soda we will see. Another chemical name is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 0.10H2O. What is mean by 10H2O? 10H2O is water of crystallization. How many? 10. Na2CO3 0.10H2O is the formula of washing soda, and washing soda is known as sodium carbonate. We have seen sodium bicarbonate. Bi means baking soda, and only sodium carbonate is washing soda. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. When we heat baking soda, just now we have seen, after heating, what does it get? Washing soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. If we do recrystallization process of sodium carbonate, washing soda gets. It is also a basic salt. Washing soda is a basic salt. Just like baking soda, washing soda, they are basic in nature. So baking soda is useful for acidity purpose. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives out Na2CO3 0.10H2O. Here water of crystallization is 10. We have seen now. Here it is given. Why 10H2O signified? Does it make Na2CO3 weight? 10H2O means it is water of crystallization. When we give somewhat heat to washing soda, you will see drops of water have collected at the mouth of the test tube, yes or no? And this is of water of crystallization, and somewhat color of washing soda also changes into white. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate are useful chemicals for many industrial processes as well. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. बोरॅक्स तयार करायचं असेल तरी सोडियम मॅन्युफॅक्चर ऑफ बोरॅक्स वॉशिंग सोडा इज यूज्ड. सोडियम कार्बोनेट कॅन बी यूज्ड ॲज अ क्लिनिंग एजंट फॉर डोमेस्टिक पर्पजेस. सोडियम कार्बोनेट कॅन बी यूज्ड ॲज अ क्लिनिंग एजंट फॉर डोमेस्टिक पर्पजेस and it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness, removing permanent hardness of water. So these washing sodas are used, understood? Are the crystals salty? Are the crystals of salts really dry? What we are going to see in this figure? Removing water of crystallization. Are the crystals, are the salts real crystals? We are going to see this. Means what? Here in the test tube, copper sulfate crystals are going to be heated. Yes or no? Burner is seen. Water droplets have collected. Boiling tube it is given. A pair of tongs. With the pair of tongs we have hold the test tube. Yes or no? And in the bottom of the test tube some copper sulfate crystals have taken and they are heated. Removing of water of crystallization. Copper sulfate, in copper sulfate also water of crystallization is seen. Understood? What do you observe? Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? After you have seen that water droplets are there, they are collected. Yes or no? At the base what you have seen? At the base you have seen copper sulfate crystals. Yes or no? Copper sulfate crystals which seem to be dry contain water of crystallization. When we heat the crystals, this water is removed and the salt turns white. If you moisten the crystals again with water, you will find that blue color of the crystals reappears. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. 5 water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. Chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4, 0.5H2O. Now you would be able to answer the question whether the molecule of Na2CO3 0.10H2O is weight. One other salt which possesses water of crystallization is gypsum. It has 2 water molecules as water of crystallization. In the gypsum, 2 water molecules are present. CaSO4 0.2H2O. 2H2O, 2 molecule of waters. In CaSO4, CaSO4 means calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is known as gypsum. Understood? CuSO4, copper sulfate. How many water of crystallization? How many molecules of water of crystallization is present? 5. In Na2CO3, washing soda, 10H2O. Yes or no? So 10H2O, 5H2O, 2H2O. These are the water of crystallization. Now we are going to see plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. CaSO4 0.12H2O is given here. When you heat calcium sulfate at 373 Kelvin, it loses water of molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 0.12H2O. This is called as plaster of Paris. What is plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris means calcium sulfate hemihydrate, means what? CaSO4 0.12H2O. From gypsum it is prepared. Now we are going to see, note that half of water molecule is shown to be attached as a water of crystallization. How can you get half a water molecule? It is written in the form because 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 1 molecule of water. Here it is given in the reaction. Have you seen this reaction? CaSO4 0.12H2O plus 1.5H2O gives out CaSO4 0.2H2O. Half H2O plus 1/2 H2O means how many? 2 H2O. Yes or no? So gypsum formula, when where the substance, this plaster of Paris is used to decorate our houses. Yes or no? House roofs. Plaster for supporting fractured bones also it is used. Plaster of Paris is a white powder, and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. From gypsum it is it is getting, and when how gypsum is formed? When plaster of Paris, a white powder, mixes with the water, then what you have seen, you will see that a hard solid mass is formed, and this hard solid mass is called as gypsum. Understood? CaSO4 point half H2O plus 1.5 H2O gives out CaSO4 point 2 H2O. Now, what is the formula of gypsum? CaSO4 point 2 H2O. And what is the formula of plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum at 373, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Yes or no? And this is called as plaster of Paris. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules. Yes or no? And what is formed? CaSO4.1 of H2O, which is known as plaster of Paris. And from plaster of Paris again gypsum is formed. We have seen just now. Yes or no? And where plaster of Paris is used? Supporting fractured bones and roof and decoration of the houses, roofs. So, plaster of Paris is used for making toys also, materials for decoration and for making surfaces smooth. So, these are the uses of plaster of Paris. Now, questions I have given here. What is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? CaOCl2 means bleaching powder. Yes or no? Calcium oxychloride. Name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. Now we have seen how bleaching powder is made. Name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. How bleaching powder is made? So, that substance you have to give. Name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. Which sodium compound you use for softening hard water? Just now we have seen. These questions answers are there. So, you have to solve yourself. What will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? NaHCO3. If it is heated, what is formed? Na2CO3 and H2O. So you have to write down, because reaction is given. Here, give the equation of the reaction involved. Yes, carbon dioxide and all those things, they are removed. Carbon washing soda, all these things. So you have to write down. The reaction is given. You have to search and you have to write down. You have to find out and you have to write down. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Plaster of Paris, you have seen CaSO4 point half H2O. Yes or no? And water. So you have to write down water H2O. So what will be formed? Gypsum will be formed, na? So you have to write down gypsum CaSO4 point 2 H2O. So this also you have to write down. You see in the book, find it out and do write these question answers in the book. What you have learned? Acid base indicators are dyes or mixtures of dyes. Acid base indicators are dyes or mixtures of dyes, which is used to indicate the presence of acids and bases. Acidic nature of a substance is due to formation of H plus ions. Formation of OH minus ions in the solution is responsible for basicity. When an acid reacts with a metal, hydrogen gas is evolved, and corresponding salt is formed. When base reacts with metal, hydrogen gas is formed, and negative ion composed of metal and oxygen.